Right, good afternoon. We're out for another walk. Similar area to about a fortnight ago when I went round Buttermere. I've parked in the same car park, National Trust car park near Buttermere. I've just come to the village, and this outing has been inspired by a picture on Instagram by Carmen Norman. I'll put a link to her feed in the description below. It was a picture of Scale Force, which apparently has the biggest drop of any waterfall in the Lake District. Somewhere I've never been, so we're going to go there, which is part way around Crummock Water, and if time allows we'll walk all the way around Crummock Water and back to the van. So we've got all afternoon, no rush to be home, so anyway, we'll see how it goes and I'll see you on the next one. Right, as you can see we're now at Scale Force, and it is a heck of a drop, and it's pretty impressive, so it's not very easy to, it's a bit, not much room in here, so I'll just take the shots, varying ones, different shutter speeds, with and without the polarizer. We'll see how they come like, and the best we'll put up on the video after this, so we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've finished up the top here. We're going to make our way down and maybe get some of the lower falls, see what we can do. But very impressive, taken quite a lot of shots. You possibly have seen one or two of them, and you'll see some more on the video. So we'll go down and carry on. So we'll see you a bit later. Right, you'll see we've come down to the lower falls here. You can still see the main falls behind. As you see from the back of the camera there, and the last shot taken was a long exposure, 20 seconds, f11, 100 ISO. That was with a circular polarizer on and a 6-stop ND filter. But that's the basic shot. So I think we're finished here at the falls now. We're going to head back down to the lake and go around the lake. We've got quite a bit of footage here, so I may well stop the video here and go around the lake and possibly do that as another video. If I do that, thank you for watching. If you watched it this far, much appreciated. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.